Alright, just want to take a few seconds here to show you how I keep my hot running digital chip amplifiers and electronics cool here in the garage. Made a few modifications and it is actually working out pretty good. First one is this Kooltek laptop cooling pad right here. This works out freaking great. These things, they're just slightly warm, but they're not hot. And as you can see, I did modify these Fosi audio little amplifiers. I put a all metal grill mesh right above the heatsink. There's a heatsink about right here, and then on the underside I drilled some air inlet hoses, and also I took off the stock little rubber feet. I mean, these things are just really small, and I put on these guys here, which are these right here. These are polyurethane rubber stick-a-moners, but look at the difference in height. It's like almost 3 times higher up, so it gives a little bit more airflow. Did it on both amplifiers here, and this sits right above a fan. And then for this little preamplifier, I did the same thing right there. And lastly, I have the AC to DC 32 volt 5 amp adapter sitting on here too, because these get warm too. So I just want to keep everything nice and cool. That's the drawback with these little digital chip amps. These are big dogs. These are the twin TPA 3255 Texas Instruments chips in here. Most of them come with 1 chip. These ones have actually 2 chips in here, because it's actually 2 amplifiers in one, because these guys have subwoofer output power, you know, for passive speakers. So it has to run 1 chip stereo for stereo speakers, and then 1 amplifier is bridged for subwoofer. So what I did is I took, this is my main one with the antenna Bluetooth, and I used the preamp out into the aux in on this one, and just using the subwoofer output on here to power the bottom subwoofers, the 2 bottom ones down here. And as you know, these are these big honking 18-inch Yamaha, 18-inch subwoofer in here. It's vented. These things are just freaking monstrous. So the left amplifier is powering these guys down here, and then the right amplifier is powering these guys. And the way I have it set up is the sweet spot. So the left amplifier here on the bottom 2 subs, I wish these things would show what frequency the sub frequency is right here, but this is going down probably about 50 and below right here, and I got it on max volume. Plus I have the preamplifier to give it a little bit more juice on those super low frequencies. You can probably hear it in the background. And then this one is right at about 100 hertz or so, and the volume's just a little bit down. So there you have it. Just thought I'd show you how I'm keeping things nice and cool. And I've got these guys on my ChrisDIYer Amazon store. If you want to buy them, I'll put a link in the description below. So just click on the link and buy one. Even if you click, I get a little boost. But if you buy one, I get a slight commission. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a really good one. Later.